Hi everyone! Today's video is about how to integrate Authroize.net payments on Cloudfunnels. Let's start. First, log into your Cloudfunnels account. On the sidebar, click on Product section. We have to make sure that we have listed a product here. If we don't have any products listed yet, you can add one just by clicking on the Create New button. Now fill in the details of your product. Add in the title, product ID, add in a URL of the product if you have, the price, and choose currency. You can also add in the tax amount and shipping cost. Below, type in the product description. And you can also add subproducts or optional products. Then save. On the sidebar section, go to your plugins. And now we need to install Authroize.net plugin from the marketplace. So please click on Add New Plugins and select Install from Marketplace. Search Authroize.net, click on it, and install. And you will see a notification if it's installed successfully. Plus, you will see it here on your plugin section. Then you need to click on this button to activate it. And if it's activated, you will then see it on the sidebar menu. Click on it and select Create New. Now we need to fill in these details for our API setup. If you want to receive the live payment from your clients, then you have to enter the live login ID and live transaction key. To get these keys, go to Authroize.net website. If you don't have a live account yet, you can sign up for one, and you can choose your basic plan from here. If you already have your live account, then log in. On the other hand, if you want to receive the test payment, meaning these are not the real payments, only for test mode, then you can log in to your Sandbox account. Just go to developer.authorize.net. Again, you can create your Sandbox account here, or you can log into your Sandbox account from here to get your API keys for the test account. Now that I'm here, let me sign into my Sandbox account. Click on Sign In and select Sandbox. And I will show you how to set up your test Sandbox account. So to get your IDs, scroll down and on the left sidebar, on Account section, click on Settings. And on Security Settings, select API credentials and keys. Then you will see your login ID. Copy it and paste it to Cloudfunnels. And for the transaction key, you have to generate it. So click on Obtain New Transaction Key because all transaction keys automatically expires in 24 hours. And always remember to disable the old transaction key. Then hit Submit. Then you will see a pop-up to verify your identity with your registered email address. Then check your email and enter in the given PIN. Then verify the PIN, and after it verifies, you will then see your transaction key. Copy it and paste it to Cloudfunnels. Now add in your title and your desired tax amount, which will be applied as percentage. Then save settings, and it will be added to your list. After all that, you can now go to Funnels and Sites. Choose your funnel, click on Edit Funnel button, select Order Form Page, and click on Settings. From here, you can now select your newly added payment method. Then select a product and save settings. And you're done. And that is how you integrate Authroize.net payment gateway on Cloudfunnels. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.